Welcome back, folks, to another episode of MLM. PJ here, and we're doing another one of these quick builds from Airfix, and this one is the Spitfire. I've currently got some projects on the go and I'm waiting for parts, so rather than start another restoration, I thought I'd do another one of these kits, and I've brought several of them to fill in a few spaces while I'm waiting for bits and pieces. So let's get this one open and we'll get it laid out on the bench. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. So there we go. In the box we have got our guide, our build guide, some really nice little Spitfire stickers. I like the look of them, and in this instance just one bag of parts. This is aimed at children 6+, and a fun little build if you've got young children, grandchildren. Nice little presents. They're only $8.99 a piece. So let's get the parts laid out and then we'll crack on with building it. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. Okay, so there we go. There's our knolling done, and they've been very clever, Airfix, with these parts. Yes, it's for a child, but you can't pair anything up because the camo has been done in such a way that each camouflage piece is its own part, which I think is a cracking idea. So we've got very few pairs apart from two number 8 bricks and a pair of wings. Everything else is fairly unique, which is yeah, I like that. Okay, so let's push these to one side and we'll crack on and get it built. So I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. Okay then, so here we go, and I'll try and do this instruction by instruction. So we'll start with number 1, and we have got a number 2 plate, number 12 plate, and they connect to a 16, like so, and then 2 number 8 plates on top, like so. Put that to one side, and number 2, looking for the tail, which is in 2 pieces, and they just fit one over the top of the other, like so. We have number 3, which is the tail again, and this section from underneath, and you can see there's a little nodule on the back there, and that marries up with one in the back of this part, and that squeezes nicely together. Number 4, I'm going to go with that part first. Yep, fits on the top. And we have a part that goes underneath, Yep, so that's those two. That takes us back onto the other page, and we are looking at assembling the wings. So we've got number 6 with a wheel that fits on the side. We've then got a wing, number 7, that clips on, and you can see the wheel on the other side. So that's 7. Number 8 has a section on the end, and then we start to fill in the camouflaged parts. Number 9, like so, and on instruction or guide 10 instruction 10, that is the wing complete. So put that to one side, and we'll get the other wing. So on 11, we put on a wheel. 12, mix up another part of the wing. The lower half of the wing is now attached on 13. Like so. We can turn that over for 14. And we can put our end piece on 15. Back to 16. And that's going to make up the rest of the wing. 17, we attach both wings together. I can assume that's to form a base for the cockpit. Number 18. Goes that way around. Like so. And then sits inside the wings. Like so. So that's 19, we've got 20. Aha. Wrong part, 20. Now, on 21, we can fit in our red blocks right up to the end. Like so. And 22 forms what would be part of the seat, I imagine. We can attach on 23 the tail end. good. And the rest of the cockpit on 24. Now we're starting to look something like. Turn it over. 25 is our engine. Nice fit. 26, we put a stud on the propeller, like so, and that drops in on 27. Then on 28, that's the engine cover. Final part of the cockpit, I think. Well, body, not cockpit. There's the actual cockpit, which sits in on 30, like so. And if we turn it over, we have our final piece, which fits like that. I'd already assembled the stand. And we can put the stand on there like that. And there she is. And that just leaves us our stickers. So we'll do them next, and I'll catch you in a few. Cheers. Right, it's time to add the finishing touches, and we put on our stickers. So we'll start with the roundels, and they go on the leading edge, like so. Looking nice. And we've got our tail sticker. And that goes pretty much close to the edge of the fin, like so. And we do that on the other side. And we'll try and get it lined up. Look at that. And then finally, got a large sticker for the side. And it looks like the E from the E from the EB sits just under the back of the cockpit. Now if I put it where they suggest, that means it's going to go under the back of the plane. So I'm going to kind of put it there. So while it does wrap round, it fits nicely onto the back of this cockpit. Yeah, I think that's good enough. I quite like that. So we'll do the other side. And there we go. And I'll say about this one, I'm not overly impressed with the stickers on this one. They don't line up very well. But you know, it is what it is. It's an $8.99 model. But again, so there we go. There's our Spitfire. Another quick little build, bit of fun while we're waiting on other projects. So I've got a few more of these to do. They are ideal for customising as well. I mean, on this one, if you've ever built the plastic kit Spitfire, which I've done, you could put the yellow tips on the end of the propeller and in the centre. Customise it however you like. I like these, I really do. So there we go, the QuickBuild Airfix Spitfire, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.